kitchen and flag. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Rose, kitchen and vlog. Tell you.
Hi everyone, as you could see the title, I will be preparing roast breadfruit. The most popular way we cook breadfruit is to roast it, and we mostly roast breadfruit back home in Jamaica and outdoors on a wood fire, okay, or on a coal pot. But today I will be roasting it in my oven. And we also boiled the breadfruit, okay, and serve it with nice curry chicken or ackee and saltfish, any fish or meat kind of our choice. So here is my breadfruit. I'm going to mark an X to the bottom of the breadfruit and also take out the stem, okay. And at this moment you want to preheat your oven, and I'm going to roast it for 400 degree Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake it about 1 hour, or you use a skewer to check if it cooked. And there is my breadfruit roasting away. So when it finished roast, you want to remove it from the oven and cut it in half. And I'm going to cut out the heart, okay? The heart is uneatable. And you want to make sure you just cut the breadfruit into pegs. And I'm going to peel it. You want to take out the heart. Alright, and then peel it. Take the skin off. This food provides a lot of energy to the body. And we also have roast breadfruit for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Oh my goodness, with some nice jerk pork, jerk chicken, curry chicken. So you could serve your breadfruit as how it is, or you could also fry it. So here I have my pan on the stove with some oil. You could use any oil of your choice. Make sure the oil is hot and put the breadfruit in. And I'm going to fry it on one side. When it fries, you flip it over to the other side. Okay? So when they're finished fry on both sides, you want to remove them. And I serve my roast breadfruit with some steamed callaloo and saltfish / catfish. So everyone, from my kitchen to yours, have a great day. One love. God bless. Bye.